laws of the Republic.
Ringre mar miyo moro ne okwany ka oiki e bur moro matany gwenge Mangere Village, Wachara Sub-Location, e Sub-County Mandhiwa. Ringre no, mabende no osechako kethore, ne okwany gi jopuonjre mane ogamo tik moro magalagala, mane wuok e puodho moro machiegni kod apaya. Jalup County Commissioner Mandhiwa Sub-County, Lucy Ndemo, ne oyango wach ma kamano, kabende no lero ni ringre no ne oiki e bur no, mabende gikone ne ochako kod osakwe mag bando.
It was reported yesterday through the Assistant Chief Wachara Sub-Location that there was a suspected human body in a shallow grave. The DCI officers went to the court and got an exhumation order from the Waru court, and we visited the scene. We were able to establish that school-going children from Ngere village were attracted by a foul smell from a nearby farm. Dogs were also spotted gathering around the same area. We removed a canopy of dried maize stalks that were heaped at that spot, and that is when they saw some human body.
Ndemo bende ne oluwo ni ringre no ne ok nyal yangi malongo gi jogweng' kaluwore kod kaka ne osekethore ka okoni nyalo bedo ni ne onege kamachielo kapok ne oike kanyo.
The scene has been exhumed. Body was found that was decomposed. So the body has been taken to the Homa Bay County Referral Hospital, mortuary for preservation and also awaiting other processes. We are appealing to anybody who could have lost a female member of their family or neighbor to follow up so that they are able to identify the body. It will require probably some kind of DNA testing because it is not easy to recognize physically because of level of decomposition.
Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto gi thulu masani nitiere boma momo